Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer, specializing in Excel and Power BI. In this video, I'm going to discuss a function that is used quite a bit by people who are HR professionals. So if you are a human resources professional and you are not already using this function, perhaps you should. It's called the network days function and is used to calculate the number of working days between two dates. Typically, it'll be used for things like how long did it take to fill up a particular position. So that's the example I'm using here. The network days function, let me go ahead and start entering it in. Takes three arguments. Two are required and one is optional. Takes the start date, the end date, and then a list of holidays. For the list of holidays, you can supply, the actual cell addresses that contain the holidays, or you can use a name range, which I'll discuss in a minute. So all you do is I'm going to click next to start date and select the cell with the start date. Click next to end date and select the cell that contains the end date. And then I'm going to click next to holidays, and I'm just going to type in a name range I've created that has my list of holidays. Okay, so a couple of things you'll notice when you're using this function arguments box. As you enter in arguments towards the right, it will tell you what the value of that actual argument is. In this case, it's using serial dates, which is the way that Excel actually stores the date no matter how you type it in. And so this gives you kind of like a preview to let you know you're headed in the right direction. And then here at the bottom, it will give you a preview of your answer. So if you're pretty new to creating functions, using the functions arguments box is a good way for you to kind of get accustomed to different functions as you're creating them. Okay, so we've put in everything. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And it tells me that there are 34 days between the start date and the end date, accounting for the list of holidays that I supplied. And so I'm simply going to come to the bottom right-hand corner, double click, and fill in the function. Okay, so let's discuss my list of holidays and how I use the name range. On this sheet, I have a list of the 2022 holidays. To create a name range, all you do is select the cells, click up here in the name box. Right now you see it has a cell address of A2. Click in there, type the name you want to assign and hit enter. The rule is the names you give to your name ranges cannot contain spaces. And the other thing is, a lot of my students, when they're first learning how to create name ranges, the number one mistake they make is they forget to hit enter after typing in a name. So here's how it works. You highlight the cells, come up here, type the name that you want to assign, no spaces, hit enter. Now you have your name range, and instead of having to refer to this as cell B2 through cell B11, you can simply refer to it as holidays in any function that you're using. I hope you found this useful, and if you're in human resources, I would love to hear from you with a comment down below to let me know, are you using the network days function? Or if you haven't been using it, do you intend on starting to use it now? Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.